Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Ian as a Weirdo. Today I'm going to be going quickly through the stuff that I made for the Frankenstein prompt. I made two things. I keep on doing two hands. Today I made two things. Oh, Juju, come here, baby. Come here. There we go. So I made a choker that has little bolts on the side of it, so when you wear it, it looks like this and has little shiny metallic bolts. And I put Velcro on the clasp so that instead of having like a jewelry clasp or something like that, I could just take it on and off. Because I figured this is more like a costume piece. It's not so much like something I would wear every day. And so this would be good enough. But if you wanted to, you could definitely put a clasp on this and wear it. I made it in a Frankenstein green, and then the yarn is a silver metallic with black wool like fuzz to it, so it gives it some dimension, gives it some like weathering look. And these were surprisingly easy to make given how much I complained about them. They just took a little bit of maneuvering and figuring out the pattern, which I'm not particularly great at. So figuring out a pattern from scratch isn't always my forte. But I got there, and I'm really happy with the results. They look so cool. I'm so excited about it. I plan on going to Halloween party this year, but for passing out candy or something like that, I plan on maybe I'll wear this. Maybe Mel will want to wear it or something. Maybe I can get my dad. And then I also made a lightning bolt earring. Now you can make a set, obviously, but so it kind of curls a lot. So it does need to be blocked, and I'll block it later when I feel like it. I'm not gonna block it. But I just made one because one, it took a while, and two, I just, I don't wear two earrings at a time anymore. Since my hair is short, I just wear one earring. I feel like it's a little bit more androgynous. So, if you want to see what the two look like together, this is it. Tried putting the other ear earlier. Try this one. Okay. Probably should have practiced this before. But yeah, so I have a lightning bolt earring. I still think it looks like Metapod from Pokemon. And it curls a little bit. And then I have my Frankenstein bolt choker. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I think it's super cool. The choker's super comfortable. You can make it any size you want. You can make it as tight as you want. You can make it as thick as you want. The earring was fun. And I learned a lot. So I used a 3 to 4 weight yarn. Fuzz always confuses me about weight, so I'm like, I don't know how much it is. And then I used the smallest hook that I could bear to deal with it with, which was a 2.75 millimeter hook, or a C hook. It's a very small hook. And then I made this, and it's pretty big. It's only really for like costumey purposes, or like if you're just really dramatic like I am, so that's cool. But you can also make it smaller by using thread or embroidery floss, and a 2.25 millimeter hook. So this is a B hook, and or any smaller hooks like lace hooks, things like that. So you can do a bunch of different size. You can test different size yarns, different size hooks, and see what you really like. The video that I watched she was not making an earring, she was making an applique for a hat for the flash. And she used a 4mm hook and a 3 or 4 weight yarn. So I think she's a 3 weight yarn. So so it can be smaller, it can be bigger, just depends on your preference. And if you even want a earring this big, or if you want like a necklace, this would be an awesome pendant or something like that on a necklace. And you can do more kind of lightning thingies to it as well. So so yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I feel very frankified. And I want to thank my celebrity guest stars, Frankenstein's Monster and the Bride of Frankenstein's Monster. And I hope you guys like this, and I'll talk to you later.